Dear Toastmasters, distinguished guests, good evening.
Good evening.
Through a wonderful introduction, Toastmaster of the Day enthused me. It proved that not only eagles need a push, but also Toastmasters need a push and pull. You Toastmasters are the pillars of Diamond Toastmasters Club. Each and everyone are very important to our club. Tonight, I am going to enhance your skills, performance. That is my concern today. Let me introduce a proposal to you. Your decision is very important. Your decision will make a big difference in Diamond Toastmasters Club quality-wise. What you have to do, please listen to me first 10 minutes, and then I will give you a chance 5 minutes to ask questions. At the end, please decide yourself and give your consent. Shall we go?
Yes.
What you have seen is a history now. These events will not come again unless you captured marvelous speeches, valuable evaluations. We are going to lose with the time. What we have to do, I have a proposal. You be with me. This is my proposal tonight. Video camera to enhance the diamond's quality. Dear Toastmasters, there are many ways of improving the quality, but I notice this is for the time being, and this is the most important equipment to be purchased in our club today. We can do a lot of improvement in quality wise. Individual members' quality improvement is vital because ultimately it will benefit to the whole club. So this information, this proposal, I cannot do it alone. We need your support. Together we have to work. Especially I need your approval. And the most important part is money. The money, how to collect money, fundraising. We want to discuss this matter. I have done some ground work I have gone through the details and find out a latest model, and it will be sufficient to our club. It will cost 1,200 Saudi riyals, and I am proposing to purchase this camera. Now, as a team, we need to think. Why? Answer to me. Because Diamonds didn't perform well in the competitions. The other clubs did perform more than Diamonds. What are the difficulties? Many difficulties. Some of them are lack of training, lack of interest, lack of practice, lack of participation, not following the DMI guides, you name it. So many things. Now, will Diamond improve the quality? Unless you implement a remedial action, you will never improve your quality. We need to take. Where is the place to improve? Right here, 8:30 to 10:30 Monday. This is the right time, the place to improve our quality. Who wants the quality improvement? I want. How about you? You want. Everybody wants. Everybody wants the quality improvement. Now we come to the other part. As an individual member, you think yourself now. When did you join Toastmasters Club? Last month? Last year? 2 years before? I don't want the answer. You think yourself. What is your vision? Your vision is my vision. To improve the communication skill and become a competent communicator or competent leader. It is simple. Where are you standing? How many projects you completed in CC? Did you finish? Did you start AC projects after CC? When are you going to do it? Where you stand? You have to think now. Why don't we recognize our problems? Sometimes we take it easy. Evaluation we are getting. After 2 days we will forget. And you are not taking care. Who is responsible? My quality improvement, I am the one responsible. Your quality, you are the one. As a team for the club, all of us are responsible. Take action now. Quality improvement. We talk more. If you see your mistake, what you have to do? You have to take a remedial action immediately, quick action. Then you need the support from others. Unity among this one is important. Then attitude is more important to attend the meeting. If you don't attend the meeting, what will happen? Then learn through the mistakes. Never repeat the mistake again. The first priority, interest to achieve the goal. Time devote for the project is very important. And together, your contribution to the support to the club. My intention is this: purchase a video camera to enhance the quality. You will ask how you will improve. When you see your performance weak, you feel shy because you are looking the video camera recorded one. You feel shy. You want to improve your quality. Then the mentors